Inimitable style inspired by elemental beauty, the W16 Mistral La Perle Rare is a perfect encapsulation of Bugatti's philosophy of blending raw mechanical power with artistry. The W16 Mistral itself is Bugatti's ultimate roadster, powered by the legendary quad turbocharged 8.0-litre W16 engine. And La Perle Rare is a bespoke one-off creation that pushes exclusivity to its peak. Key highlights of the W16 Mistral La Perle Rare: engine and performance. Quad-turbo W16 engine, producing around 1,600 horsepower. Top speed exceeding 420 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest roadster Bugatti has ever built. A design philosophy inspired by elemental forces, air, light and water, with flowing lines and sculptural curves. The La Perle Rare edition emphasizes rarity and individuality, crafted as a singular piece of automotive art. A craftsmanship, hand-finished details, bespoke materials, and unique color combinations. Interior designed to mirror the elegance of fine jewelry, with pearl-like accents and luxurious textures. Symbolism: La Perle Rare translates to the rare pearl, symbolizing purity, rarity, and timeless beauty. Represents Bugatti's farewell to the W16 era, making it not just a car but a collector's masterpiece. It's fascinating how Bugatti uses poetic language to frame its engineering achievements. It's a reflection of how the car embodies both nature's elegance and mechanical dominance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed so you don't miss the next one.